Hello, Austinians. Some of the founding fathers here. We're gonna be making another YouTube video showing some of the repairs we made to Fort Cinco over there. We made it a lot more secure because it kind of fallen apart over the winter months.
Yeah.
Been battered by a lot of snow and bad weather. So yeah, let's go look at some of the changes.
Okay, so this is the first wall that we redid. The other one was really crude and we wanted some more security, so we started to weave it. And now we also tied the sticks up to have a good supported base. So if any enemies come, we'll be all right.
And also, the door used to be right here, but this is better because you can't see in as well. You can see that's kind of blocking you.
You can't
Yeah,
really
there's
see.
the tree roots right there.
Yeah, which
And
makes
then,
it better.
It's more logical.
This part of the wall was
bad.
redone, so we kind of repaired it and then redid it
Yeah,
all
put
together.
some big sticks up, supporting,
Yeah.
and then we just weave some stuff in there. We also
It
have
also
bricks.
looks a lot more natural, which is good. We couldn't really do that on that wall because we had
We've had lots of problems with it in the past.
Yeah.
Because there's no sticks in the way to kind of help it or whatever. Like
No actual natural.
then
back here,
we
put
also put some more roof beams, but it's not that.
Yeah, we're not finished with the roof yet.
Yeah.
So we put some stones down and some more boards for seating areas.
We wanted to be outside with
We
back wall
also
was very
redid
bad.
our back wall because it was really crudely built as well.
I had the idea. Basically, it was all falling apart. There's just a bunch of sticks thrown back there, so we decided to weave it just like the front, and it looks a lot better.
We also walled off this area because it was
More
just
private.
a hole, and we'll put the COA flag over it.
Still in the process of that. And also, we put some sticks behind this wall so it looks a bit more like fortish from the outside. It's hard to see in. Down here is our seating area. And back there is our secret entrance. We sealed that up because we're only going to use it when we need to. And right now we're in the process of,
The roof?
and weapons. We're going to make more weapons from COA for better defense.
We also, for these beams that we have on the sides,
They're very supportive.
yeah, we support them with rocks. Also, we have our bird box, our bird house right there. Serves as our mailbox if anybody wants to put it there. And so we have rocks supporting the beams here. There's ones behind the dirt. Yeah, it supports these so that they
We
don't fall
also
down.
did that for the back wall too.
And we have our other special.
We drilled out some holes as well to make sure the sticks
we don't
had
get
extra
We
protection.
put our other special little rock over there.
Been there for a while.
Yeah.
Some of the oldest
We
rocks of the
also
COA.
put that dirt down to make sure that
Nothing really
any
moves.
critters would go
Burrow
in
down
or
there. Yeah,
stuff would move. And maybe in a few months this will
Harden up.
harden up in the dirt.
So outside it looks a lot different. We'll show you guys the back. So this is what the back looks like now. We put some sticks over the weaving so it looks a bit more
We
natural.
still have a few more to put in over here too.
And
Yeah.
still going along with the roof. But if you're looking from far away, you can't really tell.
Yeah, hopefully most of the leaves will grow in and kind of hide it.
It's still winter right now, so it's not even as many.
Yeah. Once all the well, it's not winter. It's like close to spring, but
Yeah, it's close.
just
very close. We're in shorts and short sleeves. Yeah, but we supported these sticks back here with rocks that we found, and woods are back there, so it's easier for us to get stuff. But yeah, once the spring comes, this will look a lot more natural. Well, this is the old COA flag. We're still gonna find a way to hang it up right there, so it'll be like that. It'll make this area a little less private, but we got a new flag, so we're doing this with the old flag. All right, that is it. So we will be filming a bit more in the summer. Just in the winter, it's kind of hard to do stuff. It's cold outside,
Yeah, schoolwork.
snow, and everything. But this summer we'll be uploading more, and we'll be able to do more stuff. So we'll be able to show you
We're
guys.
gonna be building a COA racetrack.
Yeah, some
Yeah.
other cool stuff. Yeah, make sure to
Stay
subscribe to the
tuned for
COA.
updates.
Subscribe to the channel. Join the COA. Email COA3264 if you want to join.
We already have 10 web citizens.
Yeah. All right, and we'll see you in
Lots
the
of
next video.
diversity.